In this section, we are going to discuss about the beach scene, one of the gear we are used in catching the fish. The beach scene, it is also known as shore scene. Why? Because they are operated from the beach or shore by the means of a boat laying the gear in a semicircular form. And both end of the hauling line are the line or rope we are used to pull up or haul the gear towards the beach. Then we are simultaneously pulled up the two hauling ropes towards the beach, and it is operated on the shallow coast of or shallow regions of the sea and the lake, river and reservoir, and it is mainly caught to use sardine, mackerel, then prawn, shrimp, then catfish, etc. We can catch pelagic and demersal resources simultaneously by beach scene. Then it is a structure of a beach scene. In both sides we have a hauling line. Hauling line is the line or rope we are used to pull up or drag the gear. And the main webbing and this hauling line is connected with a stick is known as leno stick. And there is a bend region in the center, that is the hardest region. Hardest region in the gear, it is bend region. Why? Because the fishes are accumulated in the particular region. So it is the hardest region, and the mid size is very smaller than the shoulder and wings towards the bend. And in between the bend and wing, there is a portion is known as supporting region is known as shoulders. And above this gear, it is a head drop with float, and below it is a foot drop with sinkers. And the length it is varies up to 150 to 2000 meters, and height it is varies 5 to 40 meter. This is the height and this is the length. And the hauling line it is varies 150 to 6000 meters in length. Then operation of a beach scene. The beach scenes are operated in the areas of smooth bottom and calm water. Why? Because it will be reduce the damage of gear and also easy to pull up or drag the gear. And we are going for two process or two operations in a beach scene. First one is shooting and second one is hauling. Shooting means semi-circling the gear. It should be fast, otherwise the fishes will be escaped. So it should be fast, and then we are hauling or dragging the gear towards the beach. Then one of the major thing in the operation of the beach scene, we need a large manpower or we need a large fisherman for operating this particular gear. We can see in this image a large number of fishermen operating the beach scene. The major steps of the operation of the beach scene is one end of the hauling line held by one of the parties or one of the group on the shore, and the other end of the hauling line semicircle with the help of a boat, and it is to the shore. And third step, two hauling lines simultaneously dragged or pulled up by two groups of fishermen and bring the catch on the shore, collect the fish. And in the operation, we can see the foot rope is hauled faster than head rope to prevent the escape of fish. These are the operation of beach scene. Thank you.